All right, happy Monday. Yay, I'm here, and I did get my test results back.
Corona-free?
I am corona-free. I woke up to the results this morning. They came through at apparently like midnight last night, so I didn't see it till I woke up. But seeing that like, you are COVID negative. Yes. So very happy about that, and now I don't feel like an infection vector for you all. Today, you have as much time as you would like during class to finish up what we were working on Friday. Friday, remember, we were answering the question, do we think there is statistical evidence to back up the claim that female hurricanes are more deadly than male hurricanes? And some people had turned in what they had, knowing that they still wanted to work on them. If you're all the way done, that's fine. I'm going to still give you the opportunity to review your stuff. So here's what I need from you. Everybody has to have some kind of deliverable, and I'll talk to you about your piece. Everybody has to have some kind of deliverable. You can choose to turn in an illustrated page, and I've got those examples up on the board again. You don't have to make illustrations if you don't want to. Some people express themselves better in that form. Some people feel much more comfortable with just writing this out. That's fine. I've had a couple people that have chosen to just make videos. That's okay too, especially if you have your evidence like on Google Sheets and you don't want to try to write that all out. You can make a video and like, here's my data, here's what it means, and explain it that way. But there has to be some kind of deliverable. In this deliverable, you have to tell me, do you think there is evidence for this, or do you think there's evidence against it? There's no right or wrong answer to that. To say, yes, I think they're deadly, or no, I think they're not. I'm not grading that, but you have to take a claim, like you have to take a stand one way or the other, and then you have to tell me what you're using as evidence to back up that opinion. In the end, it's an opinion, but it should be an informed opinion, informed by the data that we have. So I want to know what you're using to reach the conclusion that you have reached. That is what I'm going to be looking at for yours. What information, what statistics are you using? What is your justification process? Remember, this does go in the assessment category, but it's kind of like a baby assessment. This isn't a huge, big test. I'm not expecting perfection. I am expecting to see that you are using and applying some of the things that we've learned how to do and that you're interpreting those ideas in the context. You are allowed to work with other people. So maybe you do certain calculations and somebody else does other calculations and you share that information. That's very realistic for the way research situations take place. But then I need, like I said, I need something from each person. So you're not going to turn in a group project. You're going to turn in an individual project to me. All right? When you're all the way done with that, if it's before the end of class, then I want you guys to start looking at and thinking through page 43 in your book. With that being said, you guys have the remainder of class to work on your hurricanes and or page 43. If you turned in pieces to me on Friday, I will make those available. I don't see names on all of them, so you'll have to pick out which ones are yours.
You're doing